to Buffalo.
Rele Mofokeng cutting inside, and the keeper needed a second take at it.
Reaches space, tells the story basically. This is how he picks it up here. Cuts into the inside, it opens up a bit for him, and he's allowed to take a shot. The only thing Okot had was that it wasn't going into either side.
Kambala lets it move on, and a shot from range, and again Jane is asked to do some work. Well, his gloves have been stung on a couple of occasions already in this game.
The intentions are very clear from Polokwane City. They're not going to stay behind it and create that low block. They basically are open to going forward. It's their home ground, but I didn't expect them to do it with such a flurry.
Oswin Apollos strikes, comes to Mofokeng again, combining there with Mahaula, and some nice interpassing there between the Pirates players.
Makaula, unfortunately, when he finds him there, the ball falls into his left or into his right, and the angle didn't quite allow. He needed to try and squeeze it with the outside of his right foot, which was
in time, because that would have been a 6-point swing had Mamelodi. Oh, mistake there! And I think Rele Mofokeng was taken by a little bit by surprise that the ball came all the way through to him, so he wasn't quite ready to take advantage of the mistake. What a let off.
A big one. But you know, that's why he's scoring goals of this nature, because he anticipates, he chases lost causes. He was there when the defender had an obvious chance, but he was there, he just kept running. And like
mistake. And this is good football here. Makopa keeps it going for Nkota. Nkota still going with the cutback. It's a great run, but credited to Makopa. Well, this is an element of his game. He doesn't get nearly enough credit for the link-up play that he does.
Fantastic from Kota. Once again,
Gallants have conceded more goals in the first 15 minutes. Swanganye just trying to keep it in play there because it was running away from him, and he did that. But no one close enough to him to collect. Goal kick.
It's nice.
He goes, but no, this afternoon, Langeliche. First player into referee Christopher Casture's book. Room for, there's no margin for error now. And it comes! Oh, that's the mistake! It wasn't the most elegant, but Smisi will take it. It was mistouched by the keeper. And, well, I don't know if it was a defender in front of him as well. It doesn't matter. Pirates have the breakthrough that they need.
Wow, the roar from the stadium even scared the birds. The birds who were tucked in and around the trees behind are flying away. That's just how much this goal meant for a lot of Pirates. They've been knocking on that door, but it's a set piece that maybe the defensive line couldn't deal with it. I'm waiting to see if Sibisi comes from inside the line. That will basically tell the story.
Only his second over the head of Mahaula, and Smisi helps himself to. Rele Mofokeng, can Pirates get a second to put this game to bed? Good defending there from Sihla Makubela.
Yeah, the opportunity was there for Marco to be able to ping that ball across, but I think he wanted to clear the defender, but the defender wasn't sold that easily to his intention. In fact, it's not Marco, it's Masolo. It's difficult when they are taking place so close.
So that's the change then. Mahaula will not come back on, and Goodman Mosele comes on for his 5th appearance of the season. Scored in his very first match back in his first appearance of the season against Cape Town City, an all-important goal that was as well. Yellow card is gone.
Will remain in sixth as well. In second, rather.
Frustrating afternoon for Mukibelo Ramabu. He was really bottled up and kept quiet. Paseka Mako did a really good job. Sweeping ball to find Guvadia. Heavy touch from him.